Before you drive, always buckle up and make sure all your passengers buckle up, too. Keep passengers at a minimum. Extra passengers can be distracting for an inexperienced teen driver. Never try to fit more people in the car than you have seatbelts for them to use. Maintain your car's optimum performance. Check your tires and make sure they are inflated to the right pressure according to your owner's manual. Bald tires, a slipping transmission, bad brakes, a dirty windshield or a hesitant engine could lead to accidents. Make sure your car has gas in it. Don't drive around with the gauge on empty and risk getting stranded somewhere unsafe. Get directions before you leave. When driving to a new place, get complete directions and set your GPS before you go. Figure out exactly where you are going before you put the car in drive. Be responsible, never drive impaired, and never ride with anyone who is under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Call parents, friends, or ride-share service to take you home if you need a ride. Don't drive drowsy. Drowsy driving can be just as dangerous as drunk driving. Take regular breaks on long drives. If possible, use the buddy system so you can change drivers when needed. If you feel sleepy, find a safe place to stop and take a nap. The Florida Department of Transportation maintains multiple rest areas, service plazas, truck comfort stations, and welcome centers throughout Florida. These are great places to stop and take a break.